Instead of the water-based ecospheres I usually make, I decided to make a steel terrarium this time. To create the hardscape, we glued some stones to the side of the glass, with the goal to create a vertical moss wall. Gluing the stones didn't cut it, so we also used some duct tape. As a bottom layer, we used charcoal and different kind of stones where water can accumulate, without rotting the soil. On top of this we put some regular potting soil. Next we added the moss by stacking it on top of each other and gluing it to the glass. We also added some isopods, which would become the inhabitants of this closed ecosystem. It was time to add the main plants. First, we placed 2 red Fitonias at each side of the terrarium. Then we added as a centerpiece this large polka dot plant. We also added some stones to decorate the enclosure and cover the soil. We supplied the terrarium with the right amount of water so it would be able to survive by recycling the water like an ecosystem. It was time to close the lid and have a hopefully permanently sealed terrarium. Thanks for watching and see you next time!